Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to thank AOFI and a dear friend, Dr. Mohi-ud-Din, for providing me with this opportunity to speak to this beautiful conference through video. The topic which has been selected for this conference in Bahrain, it is very important, which brings two things together. One is microfinance and other is financial technology and artificial intelligence. I believe when we talk about Islamic finance or Maqasid-u-Sharia, so I personally find microfinance much more closer to Maqasid-u-Sharia than other Islamic financial products. For example, in Quran, Allah Almighty states, "Who is it that will loan Allah a goodly loan so that He may multiply it for him many times over? And it is Allah that withholds and grants abundance, and to Him you will be returned." So this is something which has been asked by Allah Almighty to do from every single Muslim or believer. And at the same time, talking about financial technology or incorporation of financial technology, there is a popular saying of Sayyidina Ali al-Murtaza radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, in which he says, "Time is like a sword. If you do not cut it, it will cut you," is often attributed to Sayyidina Ali al-Murtaza radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and something which is considered for a human being or Muslims at large, considering it something which is more relevant to today's technology or incorporating technology in our lives, organizations and technology. So I personally believe microfinance and Fintech, artificial intelligence, bringing both things together in this conference, both are very much closer to Maqasid-u-Sharia or really Islamic financial. So I would like to congratulate AOFI for organizing this conference on this topic, and especially to Dr. Mohi-ud-Din. I have been asked to talk about or introduce an organization which we established in Pakistan, which is called Al-Mohi-ud-Din Microfinance Company, which was established a couple of years ago, and it is registered under Pakistan's Securities and Exchange Commission and licensed non-banking finance company. And interestingly, AMCL is officially Pakistan's first Islamic microfinance company. So this fact will certainly shock many people sitting here in this conference, that there are many microfinance companies in Pakistan. How come AMCL is the first Islamic microfinance company? Yes, because all those microfinance companies, they are registered as conventional microfinance companies. But Al-Mohi-ud-Din Microfinance was first time ever registered as Islamic microfinance company, 100% riba free. So this is a kind of, I believe, status this organization enjoys. So Al-Mohi-ud-Din Islamic Microfinance Company was the first and the only Islamic microfinance company in Pakistan. And today, the current situation and stats, I am not sure if some other company has been registered in the same category in Pakistan or not. So let's talk about Al-Mohi-ud-Din Microfinance first. The slogan we have been using for this, or a tagline or a motto, we call it "Serving Humanity with Dignity." That is AMCL. And the mission and purpose behind establishing this organization was to empower and assist the capable and deserving citizens from relatively poor and deprived background and segments of the society to strive for the betterment of their own and their families through microfinance modes and businesses. So AMCL helps them come out of their vicious circle of poverty through investing in their ideas, and that investment is certainly interest-free as it is Islamic Microfinance Company. We all know traditionally banks have not traditionally viewed poor people as viable clients, and often they reject them due to unstable credit or employment history and lack of collateral. AMCL ruled out such historical requirements and provide small product-based financial assistance at low cost and through easy installments, thus providing poor the fund they need to promote business operations. Underprivileged people may have potentially profitable business ideas, but no big bank would invest in their ideas because of their financial circumstances. Whereas microfinance is something, I believe, that's why I call it is much more closer to Maqasidu Sharia, that it is not looking at profit maximization. Instead of that, they look into an opportunity to help people come out of their vicious circle of poverty. AMCL has also helped youngsters as well as women of Pakistan, because there are so many businesses such as IT, software development, providing them with advanced laptops for food delivery, motorbikes, auto rickshaws, and many more cottage industry related equipments, sewing machines, and so many things which are related to women, making them independent so that they can earn their living independently without becoming a dependent person or citizen on anyone else in the society. Let's talk about some of the salient features, and that will bring the second topic, which is part of this conference. Among many other, for example, the Sharia compliance, and being a Sharia compliant financial company and offering a Sharia compliant product is something necessary and important. So we do not need to get into that discussion further. So whereas Muakhat is among those microfinance companies in Pakistan who has adopted or incorporated Fintech right from its beginning. What we have done, so just giving you a couple of examples, Al-Muakhat Microfinance integrates Fintech, as I have mentioned, into its operations by utilizing digital platforms to streamline loan distribution and repayment process and customer management. This approach has allowed microfinance to offer efficient, transparent, and scalable financial services to underserved communities. By leveraging mobile technology, we have ensured broader access to their interest-free microfinance products, making it easier for our clients to apply for loans, their finances, and make repayments without physically visiting AMCL offices. So this incorporation of financial technology has assisted AMCL and made AMCL a prominent player in the market among many other microfinance companies of Pakistan. Let's talk about the incorporation of artificial intelligence in AMCL. That is another important part of AMCL. As AMCL is a part of a group, we call it Minhaj. And that group has Minhaj University, a prominent, renowned education institution of Pakistan. So under that platform, the artificial intelligence, software, and chatbot and associated products have been developed by that university. So AMCL was lucky enough to incorporate and adopt that technology related to artificial intelligence, which was developed by Minhaj University. Now AMCL is in the process of incorporating that technology, and I believe in a year or so we will be efficiently using all these services and the technology which is related to artificial intelligence. For example, giving you some aspects of artificial intelligence, how AMCL would be utilizing those services to assist our customers and customer service. AMCL will soon be implementing AI-driven chatbot, This will provide 24/7 support, handle routine inquiries, and guide our clients through the loan processing application, ensuring that they will receive immediate assistance whenever needed, day or night. Our chatbot will use advanced natural language processing, which is called NLP, to communicate effectively in multiple languages, as considering Pakistan and especially our clients coming from all different sectors and walks of life and segments of the society. So assisting them not just in English language or Urdu language, the artificial intelligence, our chatbot, this will be certainly understanding and accommodating the questions coming in all different languages used in Pakistan. Another aspect we will be utilizing, I believe, or benefiting from this artificial intelligence software, which will be incorporated soon in AMCL, and which has been developed by Minhaj University. This will be analytics for risk management. For example, as we all know that in financing, there are always low recoveries sometimes, as Alhamdulillah AMCL has not faced that matter yet, but gradually things are expanding. So this artificial intelligence would strengthen our risk management strategy by employing predictive analytics. This will allow us to assess the credit worthiness of potential clients more accurately, using historical data and behavioral patterns to predict the likelihood of loan defaults. With these insights, the AMCL will make more informed lending decisions and reduce risks of non-performance. Another aspect through which AMCL will benefit from is automating loan approval process. That would certainly expedite and increase the speed of processing. By integrating AI, the loan approval process will become very fast. This automation will enable us to quickly assess and verify client information, significantly reduce the time required for loan approvals by ensuring that our decisions are consistent and free from any human bias. We will be able to process more applications in a shorter time, and particularly benefiting clients in remote areas where access to financial service is very limited. Another aspect is financial literacy. So we have plans under the banner and platform of AMCL to spread financial literacy not just among our clients but in a general audience of Pakistan. Through what? By introducing various applications, apps, and information programs, education programs through their mobile devices, educating people about Islamic financial products, microfinance products, and general increasing the understanding of Islamic finance and Maqasid Sharia through financial literacy. And such programs can easily be developed in much more efficient manner by incorporating artificial intelligence in our system. And AMCL plans to do that in near future. And detecting fraud and preventing from them, that is something which also we are looking forward that by incorporating artificial intelligence in our system, that will help. So that will certainly limit the frauds. The customer's behavior will be detected and their transaction trends and their transaction would be looked into in real-time scenario. That would certainly help. And strategic decision making, that will improve by incorporating artificial intelligence by AMCL. And how that will work? By analyzing a large data sets, AI will provide us with a valuable insight into the market trends, customer behavior, operational efficiency, and these insights will enable us to make data-driven decisions, optimize resource allocation, and identify new opportunities for the growth. With AI as a key component of our strategy, Al-Muakhat Microfinance Company, inshallah, will continue to lead in the microfinance sector, driving innovation and impact across Pakistan. So this was a little introduction about Al-Muakhat Microfinance, on how we have incorporated Fintech since its formation and how we are planning to incorporate artificial intelligence and related softwares in AMCL, which are being established again by Minhaj University, another institution of our group. So in the end, I would again like to congratulate AOFI for organizing such a beautiful conference, and dear friend Dr. Mohi-ud-Din for hosting this beautiful conference. And of course, I would like to wish good luck to all the participants for the remaining part of this conference. Thank you and wassalam.